This is a DNA sequencing file. It contains the raw electropherogram, the colored peaks that represent the genetic code of a sample. You need a viewer like SnapGene or Finch TV to see the data and check for sequencing errors. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's sequence the DNA. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated AB1 file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. The AB1 file extension is associated with DNA sequencing data files generated by Applied Biosystems automated sequencers. These files contain a DNA chromatogram, which includes the raw fluorescent signal intensities and the base calls representing the genetic sequence. It is a critical format for geneticists and bioinformatics researchers analyzing genomic variations. AB1 Files use a binary structure defined by the Applied Biosystems Data Collection software. The format includes a header that stores run parameters and instrument settings, followed by data peaks for the nucleotides. They require specialized bioinformatics tools like Genome Compiler or Sequence Scanner to interpret the intensity peaks. For the AB1 file type, SnapGene from SnapGene is a trusted and reliable source. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your AB1 file, then click Open with, test SnapGene if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. When your AB1 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this AB1 format is causing you grief. First, use Genome Compiler. Open the file using Genome Compiler, the required application for the synthetic biology sequence. Next, check version. Ensure your Genome Compiler version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to GenBank FASTA. Use the software's export function to save the design as a universal format like .gbk or FASTA. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.